Hey guys, this is Brad from drums1on1.com. Today we're going to talk about the long roll or the double stroke roll. The double stroke roll or long roll is simply two notes on each hand. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. And when you play it at slow tempos, you have to play each stroke. So there's a number of techniques that can be used to play a long roll, but when you're first starting out, you should learn to bounce the stick and to control it. So by controlling different speeds of bounces, you can put those together to play a long roll. So faster, using bounce technique, so when it's slow, you can't bounce quite as easily. So it makes sense to be able to have controlled bounces. Now, when I was learning to play this, this was something that was played slow to fast. And I think it's a good thing to continue to do. They don't really outline that on the Percussive Arts Society sheet, but it's a good thing to do because to control that transition between sticking each note and bouncing the notes is a helpful thing to be able to do. So what I'm talking about is this is a long roll, slow to fast to slow. That's a good thing to practice because you can practice your controlled bounces, and that's just good for control. But to practice this rudiment, like all other rudiments, pick a tempo and just play it. Keep it even. You don't want to hear any accents. And also start on your left hand in addition to starting with your right hand. Play soft, play loud, play different tempos, and mix it up a little bit just so you can learn the difference between bouncing and sticking each double stroke. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Please watch for more drum technique videos, and remember to like this video and comment below. Also, click on the icon down in the lower right-hand corner to subscribe. That's all for now. See you later.